Kung Fu is so much more than just fighting skills. It's about mastering the art of living. This complete system gives you a day-by-day structured program. Professional martial arts teachers will help you nurture every element of your nature. Water beautifully represents Kung Fu. Water finds the way of least resistance, and it can calmly wait, or it can crash like a tsunami. Water nourishes wood. Wisdom teaching and guided meditations are designed to encourage your personal growth and emotional development. Wood nourishes fire. And Qigong is an ancient practice of working with energy, used the world over to reduce stress and anxiety, strengthening your immune system. Fire nourishes stone. This structured, progressive exercise program will develop a solid foundation and build your strength, balance, and flexibility. Stone nourishes metal. Learning to use multiple weapons will perfect your whole body coordination, and well-sharpened skills enables your Kung Fu to flow like water. Following our online daily program will help you grow the confident self-assurance of a Kung Fu master. That is Kung Fu living.